Hi, it's the Rawesome Vegan Gal here, and today I have an interesting product from a company called the Dairy Free Company. I discovered this at a local store where I'm residing at the moment, and I just tried it. I didn't actually know how it would taste, but it looked interesting. The fact that it's dairy free, that's good because I'm vegan. So I'll show you what it is, and I looked on their website and they have a whole bunch of different varieties, and they have interesting names for each product, which is really cool. So this one they call Dollop Lama Cashew Topping. So it is like a spread or a topping. That's what the container looks like. And I will have a link below to their website so you can check out all their products. I'll tell you a little bit about it. So this is USDA organic, kosher, non-GMO, gluten-free, vegan. It's a 7-ounce container, and it comes like this, and then it has this little tab that you open it with. Let's see what else to tell you about it. It says it's sour and creamy, and I'll tell you why. Also, a little bit about them. It says we make dairy-free fun to be. At the Dairy Free Company, we make delicious spreads, dips, and toppings that look good, taste good, and do good. Made from sustainably sourced ingredients. Our plant-derived recipes are sure to be the most satisfying part of a healthy lifestyle. And I have tried it, and it is good. Just to let you know, but I will be doing it in the video. So, tell you a little bit more. So it's got 2 tablespoons per serving, and in that serving it's 6% iron, 2 grams of protein. Let's see what else there is to say. And nothing else really of to share with you any else about the nutrition. So it says keep refrigerated, or you can also freeze it, which I've done. And you should use it within 2 weeks after opening. And they also say that we follow good manufacturing practices to segregate ingredients and avoid cross-contamination or cross-contact with allergens. Everything's pretty much organic. So they use cashews. They use cultures, which also has water and quinoa in it. But it says quinoa is not in the final product. There's no quinoa. I don't know how they do that, but. And also water, natural flavors that are derived from oregano, flaxseed, and plums, and also sea salt. So I'm going to go ahead and try this for the video, even though I have tried it and I do like it. And then the sky is the limit, actually, on what you could put this on. They show it on like bread or something in the picture here. But I mean, you could put it on crackers, you could put it on veggies, you could put it in a wrap. I mean, there's really endless ideas, and I have a few to show you. So I'll show you those first before I try them. And also I will have a link below. Or not a link, or just information below, excuse me. I'll scratch that and start over. We'll have some information below about the different products that I'm mentioning that you could use with the this topping. So, and I've also done some videos for some of the companies, so you can check those out too. So this is Lundberg organic whole grain rice cakes. This is their brown rice, lightly salted. That's one idea. Another one that I've actually done a video of is the corn thins from a company called Real Food. This is their organic sesame, and they do have quite a few different flavors. Then I also have something interesting here too, which is from a company called Rhythm, or I think they go by Rhythm Superfoods. Yeah, it's their organic beet chips. They're just dehydrated, so you could spread it on that. That would be an interesting thing to do. And you have other veggie chips as well, and I did a video on them as well. Another product that you could put the topping on, and I've also done a video for this company as well, Edward & Sons. I've done many videos. This is their brown rice snaps, their Tamari seaweed flavor. So that's another idea. I'm trying to think what else, like I said, tortillas, or like a veggie wrap, a lettuce wrap, nori wrap. I mean, there's endless. And then the last thing I'm just going to show you is the Mary's Gone crackers, and I've done some videos for them too, and that's what I'm going to actually put the spread on, or the topping on here. So this is their Super Seed Classic Crackers. So I'm going to go ahead and show you. Just give me 1 second, and I'll open up this. And it does have a nice smell. It's not strong. It does have some salt in it, but the sodium content is not that high. It just has 2% for 2 tablespoons. But it doesn't really taste salty. I mean, I know I've had it before. So go ahead and take a cracker out. And I really enjoy these crackers, just to give them a plug too, because they're whole grain as well, and you can see all the grains and the seeds in them as well, which is really nice. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up, and I'll show you what it looks like. So this is the topping. And it is quite thick, so that's nice. You could put it on things as a spread as well. Spread some on here and go ahead and take a taste. You can definitely taste the sourness of it, but not sour in a bad way. It is sour in a good way because it has the cultures. And the cultures are good for you because it's probiotics. So that's a really good thing to have. So yeah, definitely check out this this company and this brand. I don't have any of their other products to try. This was the only one they had in the store at the time. So, but like I said, they have a lot of other flavors with interesting names. And I don't know if you're familiar with where they got the idea for Dollop Lama, because there's someone named Dalai Lama, so that's kind of their little idea. Dollop, you know, like you take a dollop of it. So again, this is the dairy-free company. This is the Dollop Lama cashew topping, and I hope you will check them out and get some for yourself. And I thank you for watching. It's the Rawesome Vegan Gal.